Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally finished decorating the half bath that I was working on. And if you haven't seen the last video where I transformed this whole entire bathroom on a budget, don't forget to check that out. I'll link it in the cards below, and I'll also link my series down below as well. This bathroom was just pretty basic. It had no style. It had an ugly wall color, and now it fits our style perfectly, and I'm so in love with it. So before we move on to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you did like the way that my bathroom turned out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So for the first DIY, I used the same gel stain that I used for the cabinets because I had a lot left over. And I got this sign that was only $7 at Walmart, and I believe they still have it, so I will link it down below for you guys. And because I wanted everything to kind of match, anything that had wood, I wanted the same tone, I decided to tape it up and stain it, and it was really easy to do. I think it took me about like 10 minutes to do, and I did it while I was watching Game of Thrones. It was such an easy DIY, and I feel like by staining the sign, it made it look a little bit more cohesive with the rest of the decor that I picked up for the bathroom. And because it was the exact same stain as the cabinets, it kind of matched pretty well, and I am really happy with how it turned out. Now for my second DIY, I'm using these round planters that I got from the Target dollar spot, which I will link the video down below where I did a shop with me and a haul. I'm using these white rocks from Dollar Tree, and then I also got these fake succulents from Target dollar spot as well. The larger ones were $3 and the smaller ones were $1. And I had some leftover soil just sitting in my garage, so I decided to use that as well. So this particular DIY that I found on Pinterest actually started the whole inspiration of my bathroom, and I am so happy that I found these planters at Target because they were only $5 each, and I had my eye on these planters online, and I think they were $60 because they were like the cheapest that I could find at that moment. So thank God that I found these. And it's a pretty simple DIY. Pretty much all I'm doing is breaking up the soil to make sure that there are no clumps or anything like that, just because you can see all the soil through the planter. And then I filled up the majority of the planter with soil. I left a little bit of room for the Dollar Tree rocks, which I just kind of threw in there. I kind of layered them evenly. And then I stuck the succulents inside the planter, and then I put a little bit of rocks on top of the succulents just to make sure that they weren't going to slide off and they were secure in there. And I did the exact same thing for the second planter, but that one actually had a crack on the back side of the glass. So I did everything a lot more carefully, and instead of putting the rocks first, I put the succulents in there first, just so because I didn't want to apply too much pressure. And then you'll see me adding some nail polish at the end of this clip, just because I wanted to make sure that it didn't crack, or the pressure of the soil being in there didn't make the glass break. So I just kind of secured it with some nail polish. And these are a couple other items that I gathered over the past couple of weeks. I got some stuff from Target, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods. And I did grab a couple different soap dispensers and plants and stuff like that, just to play around and see what would look best. And my sister actually gifted me that gift basket for Mother's Day, which was really perfect because I ended up using it for my bathroom. And something that I like to do instead of buying bath towels is to buy dish towels, because they're half the price. This one was only $3 from Target, and it is huge. It looks really luxurious, and I feel like it makes more of a statement piece than just a regular bath towel. Other than that, I kind of just played around with the different pieces that I bought for the bathroom. I played around with the different plants and the soap dispensers that I got just to see what would look the best. I hope you like the way it turned out just as much as I did. I did put a lot of thought into it, even though it's very simple and neutral. That's definitely my style. And if you did like the way it turned out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will list the rest of my home decor playlist down below, along with the other playlists that I have done in the past. I definitely have some more home decor transformations coming up in the future. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.